Hello and welcome to another episode of the Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial series by ProfileTree. In today's episode, I'm going to be taking you through keyboard shortcuts and how to make use of them, and how they can help speed up your editing process without sacrificing quality. Editors are always looking for different ways to try and speed up their editing process, and sometimes that is a hard balance to strike. There are certain ways to get around this, such as creating proxy files, which I've talked about before. Proxy files can help speed up your editing process by creating smaller quality files, so that when you're editing, the playhead can scrub as fast as if it were a low quality video. But let's get back to what we want to talk about today, and that is keyboard shortcuts. So we're going to go up to Edit and Keyboard Shortcuts, and this is your keyboard shortcut section. So how you would create a shortcut is by clicking on one of the letters. So for example, if I wanted the razor tool, so I'm going to drag the razor tool onto the selection tool and then remove the other shortcut. So now the selection tool is on the letter C. So there's various ones you can create yourself, just it's down to your own judgment. But one I would recommend is the Add Edit. I have it on the letter B, but you can put it wherever you like, but it really does speed up your editing process in terms of cutting up your footage. Another one I have is the Speed/Duration on the letter S, which is quite handy to have just if you need to change the speed of your video, not to be confused with Control S, which is for saving your project. It's important to keep in mind you can hit Control and then you can put shortcuts on all the letters on the keyboard while you have the Control or Shift button held in. So there's plenty of room to make plenty of shortcuts. So keep that in mind. So once you do change one, all you do is click OK, and that will apply to your keyboard shortcut preferences. So that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comment section below this video and one of our team will get back to you as quick as they can. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks, goodbye.